Your body is an incredible machine. We tend to have this belief that it's up to someone else to prescribe us medications to make us healthy, but in reality, your body does most of the work. And if you're listening, your body will tell you when things are going wrong. Here are some things to watch out for and what they might mean. Craving sour foods. Craving sour foods is pretty common when your body is going through hormonal changes, like when you're pregnant, but it can also be an indication that your liver and gallbladder are having trouble keeping up with your body's demand for them. It may be a good idea to see a doctor and get that checked out if you're suddenly craving sour foods. Oral bleeding. Bleeding from the gums can be an indication that you're just not taking care of your oral health all that well. If you floss after not flossing for a year, you might experience a small bit of bleeding. But bleeding gums can also be an indicator of a vitamin C deficiency. Before you reach for a supplement, consider getting it from natural sources, like fruits and vegetables. Sleeplessness and cramping. Everyone gets cramps and insomnia sometimes, but if it becomes a persisting issue, it could mean you're having a little trouble with magnesium. Magnesium is an important nutrient for your brain, muscles, and heart health. If you're experiencing this, visit a doctor and add foods like nuts, leafy greens, bananas, and fruits to your diet. Craving seafood. As we mentioned before, specific food cravings can be a normal part of the hormone changes that occur during pregnancy. Otherwise, craving seafood might indicate that you lack a variety of nutrients and minerals and you may not be getting enough protein. If you're vegetarian or vegan and find yourself craving meat, start a food journal and track your macronutrients. You might not be getting a balanced diet. Craving sugar. Chances are if you're craving sugar, it means you've been eating too much sugar and junk food lately. Sugar is addictive, and junk food has pretty much no nutritional value, thus the name. If you're craving sugar, combat it by eating a big salad. Give your body what it actually needs. It's hard, but you can retrain your tastes. Craving sodium. Salt is a necessary mineral for having a healthy body, so it's okay to crave salt sometimes. Craving salty foods can also be a response to infection or inflammation somewhere in the body. Try to eat healthier salt, like Himalayan pink salt. Brittle nails and hair. Brittle hair and nails is a fairly common symptom of nutrient and vitamin deficiency. Low B vitamins and calcium can cause your hair and nails to crack and dry. Try eating more whole foods, like whole grain bread, legumes, potatoes, leafy greens, and almond milk. Persisting dry patches of skin. When you're deficient in vitamin E, it shows in your skin. Your skin is your largest organ and needs to be taken care of well. Vitamin E keeps it healthy. When you're deficient in vitamin E, it can manifest in cracked, dry, scaly, itchy skin. Try adding some E to your diet through fish oil, nuts, and other healthy oils.